Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to program your Mercedes-Benz HomeLink buttons to open your garage doors, which is one of these three buttons beneath the rear view mirror. I have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 here. The process is similar across all Mercedes. First thing we're going to do is make sure that your vehicle is in accessory position where all the lights are shown on the dash. And you're going to need your garage door opener remote for this process. So first thing you want to do is press and hold the outer two buttons until this orange LED indicator turns green. This is going to erase any previously stored memory in the HomeLink system. So give it a second. And once you see the indicator turn green, you're going to click the button twice for this orange indicator to begin blinking. Next, you're going to want to take your garage door opener and click and hold the button until the light turns green. And once it starts flashing green, it indicates that it has been stored in the system. It's picked up the frequency of the garage door. So let your garage door cycle, let it go completely up or completely down, and then click the button to confirm the setting. And now once the indicator turns off, there's no color, the process has been completed. So now, when you click and hold the garage door opener, the HomeLink button, you should see your garage door open and close.